Hello all, today we are going to see how to create a Flutter Android app in Windows. So there are prerequisites. You need to have some IDE. I am going to use Visual Studio Code, and basically you need to have Flutter SDK set up in your machine. You can go to my previous video and watch that. So let's see how we can get started. So you need to go to the command palette. Okay, then you need to type Flutter new project, choose application, then you need to select the folder where you want to create the new project. Right, let me create a new folder here. I want to say Flutter, select the folder to create the project, give the project name is application, then hit enter. So you need to select this. So basically you will be the basic of Flutter application will be generated here. So Flutter will be in dot language. Okay, now you see there is a basic app is created with the title of Flutter demo, some basic theme data which we can customize it. So let me quickly run and check the output. Basically you need to have Android SDK installed in your laptop to choose these emulators. Okay, so currently I'm going to use the inbuilt emulator Pixel 3, and I'm going to run this program. As you can see in debug console, it is showing that the app is trying to launch. It will take some time. In the meantime, I will show you the emulator is already up and running. So emulator configuration, you can do it from the Android SDK, or you can download the Android Studio from the official website and install it in your machine. By that way you can have your the list of emulators running in your machine. You can choose whatever the Android versions required for your project. So as you can see now, I'm able to see this Flutter demo home page. This application was successfully deployed to this Android. So in real time, I'm gonna show you some of the changes to this app. Let's go back to the home. You can see this Flutter icon is already showing here, which means this app was installed. You can see here, this is our application, and you can see this is the application name. I'm just going to make some changes so that you can see in real time how fast this code gets deployed. So now it is deep purple. I'm going to change it to green color. Okay, and once you save this, you can see the application is reloaded. Here you can see the title also is there. I'm going to just make it as home page. Yeah, that's all. So likewise you can get started with the Flutter Android application, and in the upcoming videos we will be doing the apps development. Thank you very much.